grow happy now.
Today is
Alice.
Kali's birthday! Beautiful eyes, beautiful eyes! Ay, sus! Yeah.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Kali. We love you, Kali. One, two, three.
Go!
Okay, what's your gift to Kali?
A giraffe.
Giraffe?
Yeah.
Ikaw pumili niyan?
Yeah.
Let's give it na.
Yeah.
Kali's awake na. Let's go, let's go. Hello! Today is
Alice.
Kali's birthday! Let's sing, kuya. Happy birthday, Kali! Birthday, Kali! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kali! Yay! Beautiful eyes, beautiful eyes!
Can
Ay,
I
sus!
Daddy open this?
Yeah. So, kuya has a gift. Dali, give it to Kali na.
Kali. Dito, Kali.
Dito, Kali, ah.
Daddy, oh, this is from me.
This is from mommy and daddy.
Go up here.
And that's for kuya. You go up, ah.
Go up here.
Help mo si Kali. Go.
Which one do you have to open?
You move there, ah, dad.
Me, I love you.
Wow. What's your message to Kali?
A toy.
No, your message to Kali.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Kali. What else?
And I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Kali. We love you, Kali. Ay, sus, 1-year-old na si Kali. Wow.
You give her the other one. Oh.
Dali, ipon nyo pareho. Dali, open. Wow! That's Kuya's gift. What's that? Oh, give to Kali na. Wow, thank you, Kuya. Wow! You happy? Ay, sus, happy siya, oh.
Eto naman.
Happy siya. Oh, yung gift naman ni Daddy and Mommy.
Open this.
Okay, help mo rin siya.
Hey, that one. Then.
Oh, open, Kali, open.
Who's it?
Ay, gusto niya yung giraffe, eh. What's that, Kali?
Sound?
There's a next paper.
This is yours. You like it? Huh? Like it? Ay, like Ah, giraffe. That's a giraffe. Ay, si Kuya yung nag-enjoy, ah. Ay, Kuya, like ni Kali yung gift mo, oh. Oh, yan naman daw, Kuya.
Remove this one. There's
Yeah.
like this pa din. Help me
Okay.
remove the like this pa din.
The box?
Yeah.
What's that, Kali?
This one.
Huh?
also. This one.
Gusto ni Kali ng mga music, eh. First music toy ni Kali. Wow! Thank you daw. Sabi niya, thank you. Beautiful eyes nga. Ay, sus. Are you happy? Happy naman si Kali? Huh? If you're happy and you clap your hands. Wow!
How old
Happy
are
na.
you, Te?
How old are you, Kali? Huh?
How old
How
are
old
you?
How old are you? Ay, sus. How old are you? 1. You're 1 na. Yan. Ay. Ay. Silly Kali. Silly Kuya. Yan. Ay, sus. We're here na sa church. Nakali. What's that? Ay? Gusto na ni Kali talaga si Giraffe,
Oh no,
Si Daddy at saka si Kuya nag-assemble pa ng... What's that, Kuya? Batman? Ha?
Yeah.
Batman car yan?
Let's go.
Oh.
Yes.
Patingin nga, Dad.
About wheels.
Hot Wheels. Ay! You want that, Kali? Naku. Kakainin lang ni Kali yan, Oo, tutulo na ang laway ni Kali. Yeah, ito yung laway ni Kali. Yeah. Yan, so we're here sa Pink Sisters. So yan. Hala,
Yun
so
pa
na yung slippers ni Kali
Yun pa naman yung may ano.
Nahulog yung slippers ni Kali
You can jump right over
Yun,
there.
Nahulog ayun.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Ayun yung maganda.
Bakit nahulog, be?
What happened eh?
Ay, sus. Get mo, kuya, get mo.
Nothing.
Yay! Nakuha ni Daddy yung slippers ni Kali.
Cinderella is back.
Nahulog.
Cinderella is
Yeah,
back
that's nice
na.
talaga.
Not nice talaga. Yan, so we're going home na.
Ayoko pa!
Why? Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Kali's birthday.
Tomorrow pa yun, yung party niya. Ay, ang kulit ni Kuya,
I want to go now na. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Kali. Happy birthday, Kali. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kali. That's your cake, Kali. Oh, blow na, blow. Paano yung blow?
I'll show you, be.
Oh, dali, Kuya will help you blow. Mommy will hold. Oh, Daddy, hold Kali. Let's count muna.
1,
Dapat. Yung tawi ni Kali,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Okay,
4,
oh, blow na, Kuya.
1, 0,
Oh,
cancel.
1, 2, 3.
Go!
Wow!
Yay!
Happy birthday, Kali! Happy birthday, Kali, boo!
Happy birthday!
This is your cake, love.
Wow.
Do you want to eat your cake? Ay, sus. O, sige na. Magki-cake smash na si Kali.
Remove ko na yung can. Ito
No.
yung one.
Kali will use that pa.
Welcome to Kalia's very first birthday!
Just because I'm a mood. Stay fly, stay poppin', eating lit like bubble gum. And I'm glowing, we still pretty, we stay here forever young. Go ahead and clock it, 'cause we ain't never stopping. Oh, oh, oh.
and gentlemen, together with Mommy and Daddy and Kuya Kai, make way and make some noise for Kalia!
the time. Yo, we gon' win out tonight. Special shout out, get it to the birthday girl. She looking fly tonight. I want pink and pretty sparkle. I want Princess Meghan Markle. We gon' have a party tonight.
Yan. So, happy birthday, Kali! So, ang wish ko sa'yo is lumaki kang malusog, masaya, and maging active na bata. And sana maging magalang ka sa lahat ng matanda. And maging mabuting tao ka. And yun lang, sana ma-enjoy mo yung childhood mo.
Alright, never leave my house without mascara. Yeah. Touch my cheekies left and right, lippy combo super glossy. Come and get a kiss. I'm in my zone, girl. Alright, never leave my house without mascara. Touch my cheekies left and right, lippy combo super glossy. Come and get a kiss.
Happy birthday, Kali! Sana ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to at ang wish ko lang sa'yo is sana lumaki ka ng may takot sa Diyos, masunurin, at gawin mo lang yung gusto mo. So, always support ka ni Mami and Daddy and ni Kuya.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I wish that you will grow happy and healthy.
I'm gonna have a time.
Si Kali naman, sobrang strong niya. Hindi siya natatakot sa mga bagay-bagay. So, kaya niya nang umakyat-akyat. Hindi siya natatakot na sa mga rides, ganyan. So, ayun si Kali parang active and strong siya.
Pink and pretty sparkles. Pink and pretty sparkles. We gon' have a party tonight.
Kali, sana lang di siya sobrang bilis gumala kasi ngayon pa lang di na siya nakapag-stay sa isang lugar.
Sobrang
So don't grow up too fast.
Happy birthday, Kalia! Wish ko, lumaki kang mabait at maging malusog at magkaroon ka ng takot sa Diyos, mag-aaral na mabuti, makapagtapos. Yun lang wish ko sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Kali! Ang wish namin sa'yo is good health. Sana mabot mo lahat ng dreams mo. We love you!
Happy birthday, Kali! Message namin, mga titos and tita. So sana lumaki kang masayang bata and then maging laging masunuran kay Mami and Daddy.